Yo, people, hope you all are having an awesome day. So, this is the start of a new series on my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that too. So, give me some time. Let's focus here for now, okay? Okay, so this will kind of be like a tutorial series, I guess. This will be a daily journal of me learning .NET and C Sharp. My goals for making this series is that from this you can get to know how much time a noob takes to learn C Sharp and .NET, and understand that everyone takes time to learn something new, and facing errors on the way just means that you are improving. And I just hope that this motivates people to learn to create awesome applications for Windows, both GUI and console. So I will be working on Linux. I have installed the .NET SDK in Linux. Here is the version. The .NET SDK basically allows me to run different .NET commands on the project files, and I'll be running all the C Sharp files using this SDK. There's not that much of a difference between Linux and Windows in C Sharp. And anyways, I'm going to explain the basics of C Sharp, so it doesn't matter which operating system I'm using. So if you Google MS Visual Studio, then you'll get this link, and you should download the Visual Studio Community Edition 2019 Community Edition, which is free. And the Professional and Enterprise Edition is not free. It has some extra privileges, so it's not free. Since we do not have Visual Studio for Linux, so I won't be able to use that IDE on Linux. But there's not much of a difference, and I'll just explain the basics so you won't have a problem with that. I'll add some links to some videos which have a good tutorial about how to install C Sharp on Windows and how to use it, how to use the Visual Studio IDE in Windows. And lastly, this is the GitHub repo where I'll be uploading all the code. So this is basically my C Sharp and .NET journal. This is a repository where I upload all the stuff I create on the process of learning C Sharp and .NET. And this repo will contain all the code which I'll show on YouTube. As you can see, we have two branches, master and dev branch. I use the dev branch for some experiments. All the stable code will be on the master branch. So you can basically copy the code or see the code from the master branch. So that's it. I will upload a video soon which will have the basics of C Sharp, like the basics that every computer programmer knows, like variables, functions, and stuff. Then I'll slowly step into the advanced stuff, and it won't be that tough, so don't worry. So until then, goodbye and keep learning new stuff.